Hey, seventh grade, welcome back. It's week 12, and we're talking about the layers of the Earth. We've been talking about the chemical makeup of these various layers, the crust, the mantle, and the core. Today, we're going to start talking about some of the more physical aspects of these layers, wherein we divide the crust and upper mantle into different regions, the lithosphere and the asthenosphere. So, by the end of this activity, you should be able to tell me at least three things about the lithosphere and the asthenosphere. So let's get started. This is not the lithosphere or the asthenosphere. This is toothpaste. Toothpaste is a solid that can flow. The asthenosphere is not made of toothpaste. However, it is a solid and it can flow. So this is just an example to show you what a solid looks like or feels like that can flow. Besides, if it were the asthenosphere, your toothpaste would be made of rocks and it would be very, very hot. The lithosphere is composed of both the crust and the upper portion of the upper mantle that behaves as a brittle, solid, rigid surface. The lithosphere is the outermost mechanical layer, which behaves as a brittle solid and is about 100 kilometers thick. How are the crust and lithospheres different from each other? The definition of the lithosphere is based on how Earth materials behave. So it includes the crust and the uppermost mantle, which are both brittle. Since it is rigid and brittle, then stresses act on the lithosphere and it breaks. This is what we experience as an earthquake. Although we sometimes refer to the Earth's plates as being plates of crust, the plates are actually made of lithosphere. Much more about the plates of Earth will follow as we continue our study of Earth and its various layers. The asthenosphere is solid upper mantle material that is so hot that it behaves plastically and can flow. The lithosphere rides on the asthenosphere. So in summary, the lithosphere is the brittle crust and uppermost mantle. The asthenosphere is a solid, but it can flow like toothpaste. The lithosphere rests on the asthenosphere. So if you can tell me at least three things about the lithosphere and the asthenosphere, feel free to move on to the next activity. If you can't, please go back to this video because it will be essential to what we're about to talk about. We'll see you later. Have a great day.